Children interact with nature and environment oftentimes. In their games and plays, they experience a lot. Could these interactions activate their passion for nature and activism? Let us see what Ethan has to share with us.
I am holding a nest. I got it from a tree, but it was old and broken. I put leaves and flowers inside and on the outside.
Ethan does not just put leaves and flowers in and on the nest, but there is a living mission.
That if a bird lays eggs, it will.
There are countless species of birds in the community, but Ethan has a special species which he wishes should live in this repaired nest.
A weaver bird.
A weaver bird. Ethan knows that this weaver bird won't find the repaired nest anywhere. That's why.
Going to hang it in a tree.
Then the weaver bird finds a repaired nest, a new home, with the new leaves and flowers with that warmth that Ethan intended to create for birds to live. That's what Ethan believed. That if he could repair the old and broken nest and hang it back on the tree, birds can have a good nest to live again. Ethan is just one of the millions of children in the world with inner passions, beliefs, and ideas they want to deliver on the ground. But many times, we do not listen to them, but just scare them away from what they believe. So, their ideas, passions, and courage just get lost on the way. Can you imagine how many ideas, passions, leaders, and most importantly the conservationists that the world loses every year? If we could just listen to the children, allow them to try their ideas, tell and teach them the truth about nature, support them in any way possible, mentor them to act better, and always encourage them, then all together we shall be investing in nature and creating a better planet for all of us and generations to come. Yes, together